If you ever opened a software or a game that lagged and crashed for no reason, one common cause is an outdated graphic driver. Your graphic driver is what helps your computer display images, videos, and games smoothly. So if you are not up to date, you might face slow performance, weird glitches, or even crashes. The good news is updating it on Windows 10 is super easy. So let me walk you through the steps to update your graphic driver quickly and easily. So step 1 is to open Device Manager. For that you have to right click on the Start menu button and select Device Manager from the list. This opens up a list of all hardware connected to your PC. From there you have to click on Display Adapters and click on small arrow text next to it. You will see a name of graphic card. It could be something like Intel, nvidia, or AMD. Right click on graphic card name and choose update driver. Then you can click search automatically for updated drive software, and Windows now will automatically search for the latest version and install the one which is available. Once updated, it's a good idea to restart your PC to make sure everything runs smoothly. And if Windows doesn't find a new driver, you can also manually download the latest one from the official website of nvidia, AMD, or Intel, depending on your graphic card brand. Now your graphic card driver is updated and ready to deliver smoother graphics and better performance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. If you got stuck somewhere or have more questions, just drop a comment below and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.